11:10 in the morning, second day in Baguio. It's Chinese New Year. Who's there? Huh? Mile High who? Huh? Classic 80s, 70s paintings. Breakfast was good. We're going to climb up there. Business Center, mini golf, go-kart, butterfly sanctuary, treetop, all going there. Let's go there. We are going back to the hotel because Stefan and someone else, the driver, they are back there at the hotel. And we are going back because we are heading to the horseback riding, whatever. We are going to Wright Park or Burnham Park and ride some horses.
And eat strawberry taho.
Eat strawberry taho. There's still so many horses, but they renovated the place.
So many horses, so many.
We are getting a horse, and here are our horses. Hi, horsey! Jake, ikaw!
1 hour isang ikutan na yun. Kaysa naman dyan po.
Mom is scared to ride for 1 hour.
Okay, 30 minutes to road.
If 30 minutes, we will only traverse that part for 30 minutes only. So this is me.
Oh, yan, para sa isa.
That is me.
Si Malaki. Sakay din, sir? Ha?
Maliliit na lang yung tatlo ha.
Oh, sige. Maliliit yan, maliliit. Yung yan o.
Yee-hee!
mo na ito, pasakay ka. Baka mo ito.
Yee-hee! So Marge is there with a white horse, and Jake is here. There's Mom. There's my sister. Ma! Ma! Dong, hi Dong. Yo. Han. Hi. Ma, hi. We will go to Mines View with these horses. We are riding for 1 hour. It's 400 pesos. The name of my horse is Captain Op. The name of Marge's horse is Abra. Abra. And are you having fun? How was your trip?
My horse is tired. I want her to rest.
How was your trip? How was your trip?
Cold ba and I'm so sleepy.
Bye, Abra.
I was like having a durian.
She felt sleepy because of the wavy action of the horse. That was an extremely enjoyable ride. Ma, how was your trip? How was your trip? Survive 2018 horseback riding. They don't want to climb upstairs to the mansion. They say it's too high. Is it? Is it too high? We're at the mansion again. We are at the mansion. We're done with the picture taking. So many people on a Friday. Oh, it's a holiday. Today's a holiday. That's why there's so many people now. Ube and strawberry taho. So good. Ube is more delicious than strawberry.
Delicious, sir.
It's delicious, sir. Which tastes better?
The strawberry is really sweet. Ube is good. They're both good, but the strawberry is sweeter. So ube, I think, is the winner. Palit si mami ko.
Ube.
There you go. Ube is the winner. Yes.
6 hours later.
Amin sa mga apo. Agad kayo.